Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you on how to make your lipstick last all day long. These are the items that I use when I want my lipstick to last all day. Most of them are just optional. However, in this video, I have included them because I'm going for full makeup look. This is my lip balm to moisturize my lips. Argan Oil for face moisturizer. Foundation, which is just an optional. Lip liner. Lip tint. I'm using Prestige brand. It's my favorite brand. Bourjois Lipstick. You can choose whichever shade you prefer or whichever brand that you prefer. Rimmel Face powder, and I have my brush. To start my look, I'm going to apply an argan oil. This is to help your skin stay hydrated all day long. Next is my moisturizer. Remember that moisturizer and the argan oil are not part of the lipstick tutorial. It is just optional because I'm going for full makeup look. Foundation similarly is also optional in this tutorial. Dab your face with wet sponge to even out the skin. Okay, let's start with the actual tutorial for the lip look. I'm applying my lip balm, which is my first step. The next thing I do is that I'm going to apply lip liner on my lower lip using Wet n Wild Lipliner, or you can choose whatever brand you're comfortable with. I'm just going to follow my actual lip line, followed by my upper lip, and as you can see, I'm going over the top of my lip line. Now, this is just an extra tip. If you would like to have a fuller look on your lips, you have to draw outside the natural line of your lips. As you can see, I have drawn here a heart shape on top of my Cupid's bow. Don't overdo it, otherwise it will look unnatural. Apply the lip liner on the upper and the lower lips. As a next step, we're going to apply the lipstick. In my case, I prefer red color. I'm going to use now the lip tint, which is almost pink nude color. Now I'm going to layer it with this lip tint, and as you can see, the color of my lip shade has turned totally from red into almost pink nude color. Now you might want to ask, are we going to use an all day long lipstick every day? Of course not. But then, when we're going to events and when we have a limited access to the washroom, then we need to use this technique. Next, I'm going to reapply my lipstick on top of the lip tint. Now this is the last step, which is very important. You can use any powder, apply it in the brush, apply tissue in your face, in your lips, and dab the powder all over your lips on top of the tissue. Voila! It's now matte and it's now sealed. Now don't forget to check on your teeth, which is the part I always forget to do. The best thing to do is put in your finger inside your lips and check if there is any excess. And this is how it is after 8 hours. It's still there. So I'm going to remove it by applying petroleum jelly on my lips and wipe it with a tissue. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned something new today. Good luck and take care. Bye.